Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Programmer, and in this video I will be telling you about hiring opportunity by TCS for a digital role, and the year of passing which are eligible are 2019, 2020 and 2021 with 6 to 12 months of IT work experience, and the registration end date is 25th February 2022, and after the completion of the registrations the test date will be announced, and the interview date will be announced after the test. Before telling you further, I would like to tell you about our YouTube channel Cool Programmer. So our channel is basically providing latest job updates and interview tips. So if you have not subscribed to our channel till now, please click on this button. So you can see a lot of amazing hiring opportunities are going on, like Genser, Infosys, Cognizant, Accenture. So explore our channel for the latest opportunities. Now let us move back. So here you can see that the eligibility criteria for this TCS off campus digital hiring year of passing 2019, 2020 and 2021. The minimum experience required is 6 months, and the maximum experience should be 12 months, not more than that. And the streams that are eligible includes BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and MSc from year of passing this, and 6 to 12 month of IT work experience. It should be related to IT field only, and the salary package that is offered is 7 lakh per annum for the undergraduates and 7.3 lakh per annum for the postgraduates. If you have done BE, BTech or BE or BTech, then you will get a package of 7 lakh per annum, and if you have done any postgraduate course like ME, MTech, MCA or MSc, you will get a package of 7.3 lakh per annum. Now this is the registration process. You have to apply on the TCS Next portal first. After that, you will receive your CT and DT ID. And then after that, you have to click on this link to apply for the digital drive. Now let us see this link. So in this link, you can see that there is one survey form. You have to fill your name and then you have to apply for this drive. Now talking about the test eligibility. So the minimum percentage required is 70% in all of your academic career, and there should not be any active backlog. And talking about the education gap, the gap should not exceed 24 months until highest qualification. And now work experience, the candidate must have 6 to 12 months of IT work experience, and your age should be between 18 to 28. And already I told you about the courses which are eligible. Now let us discuss what is the test pattern. Test pattern includes 40. First section includes advanced quantitative aptitude for 40 minutes, then verbal ability for 10 minutes and advanced coding for 60 minutes. So total test duration is 110 minutes. So after the test you will be called for the interview rounds, technical as well as HR. So I think it's a great opportunity to all the people who want to switch to TCS at a package of 7 lakh per annum or 7.3 lakh per annum. So apply for it as soon as possible, and if you need any assistance you can contact TCS on this email ID or this toll free number. And there are some FAQs also for your help. You can see these FAQs if you need any other help. And this was all about TCS hiring, and thank you so much for watching this video. And please join our Telegram group if you have not joined. And if you have any query, you can ask in Telegram or you can mail us directly. We will respond as soon as possible. Thank you so much.